welcome back to my channel. I'm Core Love. I know I look super crazy. I got my hair all out. I know y'all probably like, but by the title, you gonna see I'm gonna look, and by my thumbnail, y'all gonna see like, oh yeah, she gonna be put together. But this is my hair in its natural state. I just got out the shower. I just shampooed and conditioned it with the Dove coconut shampoo. I'll put it down in the description bar if y'all are interested in the type of shampoo that I wash my hair with. But anyway, let me get to the video and stop rambling. So I'm going to blow dry my hair, and I'm going to come back to y'all when I'm straightening my hair. I'm going to show y'all how I flat all my hair straight, bone straight. So please like this video. Please like this video, subscribe, comment down below, tell me how you like this video, and I'll see y'all in a second, y'all. So this is what it's looking like blown out with my blow dryer. This is the length so far. I'm gonna give it a good trim once I straighten my hair and everything. So I'm not talking through this, so just enjoy the music, and I'll be back at the end. I straightened some of it, and you see that I clipped some of it as I was going. So I'm going to continue to go through my hair to show you the process, because I didn't want this to be like a super long video. So I'm gonna go through it. Like I said, I was clipping my ends as I was going. Because I, you know, needed a little trim, just a little trim. And plus I just, like I said, I wanted to do a length check. Well, I don't know if I said that, but anyway, I wanted to do a length check. Because usually my hair is cornrowed. So I should have wore a lighter shirt versus black. As y'all probably maybe can tell, I love black. That's like my favorite color. But yeah, this is the finished product. I mean, I don't really put on no other products except for just this heat protectant. That's the only thing I put in my hair. I don't. That's that. You can see it's bone straight, you know. So so I want everybody to like this video, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can see videos like this when I upload. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Bye, sis. All my girls and my guys, my homegirls. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna call y'all, my homegirls. My homegirls and my homeboys. Alright, I'll see y'all next time. Mwah.